Frederick Buechner once said, "I've come to believe that by and large, the human family all has the same secrets, which are both very telling and very important to tell. It is important to tell the secret of who we truly and fully are, because otherwise we run the risk of losing track of ourselves, and little by little come to accept a highly edited version which we put forth in hope that the world will find it more acceptable than the real thing. It is important to tell our secrets because it makes it easier to see where we have been in our lives and where we are going. It also makes it easier for other people to tell us a story or two of their own, and exchanges like that have a lot to do with what being a family is all about, and what being human is all about. Sometimes it takes more than simply asking a person to share their story. Sometimes you have to push a few buttons."